Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today my son Adi will make cheesecake banana bread. It's a very easy recipe that you can make when you have ripe bananas. He made it today for the first time and it was a success. We really liked it.
To make the banana bread, these are the ingredients we'll need. 2 ripe bananas, 1 beaten egg, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1/4 cup of regular sugar, 1/2 cup of melted butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 cup of flour, 1 pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Start by mashing the bananas with a fork until it's completely turned into a liquid pulp. Add your eggs, sugars, butter, vanilla, and yogurt and mix very well. Then add your dry ingredients, the flour, salt, and baking soda, and mix until everything is well combined. This is your banana bread batter, and next we'll be making the cheesecake swirl. You're going to need 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and 1 egg. Making this filling is really easy. You just take all of the ingredients and combine them together. Now we will assemble the final product. Grease a 9 by 5 inch baking pan and start pouring in only part of the banana bread batter. Pour the cheesecake filling in one layer and then cover it with the rest of the banana bread batter. Take a toothpick and swirl together the cheesecake and the banana bread to make a nice design. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Make sure to check near the end and cover with foil if you think that it is browning too fast. This is how it looks out of the oven, but the real beauty is inside when we cut into it. I really like this recipe because it's a simple way to make your simple banana bread a little bit more fancy. It was really easy to make and I got it done in under 1.5 hours. If you like this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to my mom's channel, Hasina Mustafa Munna's Recipes. Allah Hafiz!